Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Looker Studio with Google Analytics. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first step is to head on over to lookerstudio.google.com and sign into your account. Now, once you've signed into your account, we want to go ahead and click on the create button. So create a new report here. Now on the next page, Looker Studio will ask you to add a data source. So below the search bar, we've got Google connectors. We want to go ahead and click on the Google Analytics. Now I might want you to authorize and connect to your account. So go ahead and click on authorize. Then after you've authorized or logged into your account, you're going to see your accounts here. I currently don't have any on this account, but you're going to see it all below account. So basically select the account, property or data stream you want to use. So then click add and then add to report. Then from here, you're going to be taken to your dashboard. So you want to go ahead and build your dashboard. So we can go ahead and add tables for sessions, user data, scorecards. This is great for KPIs, user sessions, conversions. They're going to be tabs up here to get into all this. Time series charts, pie bar charts, and drag and resize charts to design your dashboard. Then on the right hand side, we can customize those charts. So you can use dimensions, metrics, date range filters, and filter controls. And then from there, you can even share your work. So go ahead and click on the share button and share this to your friends, family, team members, etc.